Hey everybody, this is Sonny. Welcome back. In this video, I will show you another strategy how you can find your money-making keywords. It's called related keywords. Now, this is a term or phrase that is closely tied to your main search phrase, your primary keyword, your money-making keyword. So it's somewhat related to it. And the benefit of this is that you can use these keywords to write blog posts. Even you can have a completely dedicated landing page to it if you find one which is that good. Otherwise, you can definitely use these key phrases for your blog post, for the titles that go in the blog post, or you can use these for article marketing or press releases and so forth even. Some of these keywords we use for our clients for SEO, of course, but also for pay-per-click marketing. So if you do PPC for your business, then you can also look into these search phrases and see if any of these will benefit your pay-per-click efforts. So let's see what these are. Now, I've already pre-filled the phrase carpet cleaning in Google. So as a search, carpet cleaning in Google, if I scroll down, on the bottom, you'll see here searches related to carpet cleaning. So these are searches that are related to our primary keyword, carpet cleaning. And so from here, I can pick maybe one or two and run with it, like carpet cleaning specials. Maybe we can have a blog post related to carpet cleaning specials. Bing does the same thing. So I'm on Microsoft Bing. I search for carpet cleaning. If I scroll all the way down, see all these searches related to carpet cleaning. Professional carpet cleaners near me, $99 carpet cleaning special, and so on. So I can always use one of these search phrases for a blog post or a landing page. So now I'm on Yahoo. Same thing on Yahoo. If I search for carpet cleaning and scroll all the way down, then these are related searches on Yahoo. So this goes for everything out there. It can be mold removal. If I scroll down, I'll see searches related to mold removal companies, best mold removal products. Of course, we don't want to use that. Or let's say if there's a decent search for best mold removal product, you can write a blog post on best mold removal products or mold removal products, and then say, hey, if it's something you would need to come us take a look at, we'll be more than happy to come over and inspect for you. If you charge a fee, a mold inspection fee, then you can mention that, we charge $97 or $297 for mold inspection. We'll be happy to come take a look at this, take a look at the problem you're having in your house, and so on. Or you can mention, by the way, mold can be very harmful. Dealing with mold can be something serious. We'll be happy to come and take care of this for you. And the products that we've mentioned are not available in open market. You have to be certified in order to get those products from, certain places. Of course, you may or may not mention, let's say, places like John Donne, but even a phrase like best mold removal products, and you don't sell products, you can still use it to your advantage. You can have a blog post on it, you can have a page on it, and then you can mention, like I just said, we use the best quality or highest rated mold removal products. Give us a call. We'll be happy to come take a look at the problem you're having in your house or your property. So you can do that as well. Same thing in Google. Let's say if you do mold remediation, as you scroll down, you'll always get these ideas. So these are the searches related to your main key phrase. You could just try the word mold by itself or any service that you provide, and then see what Google shows under related searches. White mold, mold removal, symptoms of mold sickness. See, you can have a blog post on symptoms of mold sickness, and then you can end it with something like mold can be really harmful. It can be even deadly. You should take care of it immediately. Give us a call. We'll come and do a free inspection for you, or whatever you charge. But the point is that even something like this can be turned into a blog post, and from that blog post or even a landing page, you can generate leads. So think about it. We'll do a couple of other quick searches. Roof, if you provide roof repair services, roofing shingles, roofing types. There can always be pages related to roofing types, roofing material, roofing companies. Of course, you're not selling roofing material, but you can always mention what you use on that blog post, right? Roofing companies, you can always say 5 things to look for when you hire a roofing company, or 5 things to keep in mind when you call a roofing company. That can in itself be a blog post or something for one of the landing pages that you have. So water damage restoration. Nothing here, okay? Let's see if we just do water damage. So water damage iPhone, definitely you don't want to do anything related to iPhone or laptop. Those are negative keywords. But water damage ceiling, water damage repair cost, car would be a negative for sure. But you get the idea. So you can use these related searches, what Google shows or Yahoo and Bing show, and use them to your advantage for your blog posts, for your landing pages. Maybe you use the word water damage repair and then a name of a city and dedicate that page to that particular city. So not only are you optimizing your landing page for the search phrase water damage repair, you're also adding the city name with it. In my case, that would be Alpharetta. So water damage repair company in Alpharetta. Maybe water damage restoration company in Marietta, or something like that. So you get the idea. You can always use these search phrases or related searches that Google will show you, or Yahoo and Bing, for being creative and creating your posts, your titles, your headlines, subheadlines, and so forth, and use these discreetly in your landing pages, where not only will they help you rank high in search engines, but they will also help you increase conversion rates, which will then bring you, of course, leads, jobs, revenue, business, profits, and so forth. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video.